Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I've got a lot of hedges and bushes to cut down, so I've treated myself to these two. They're both by Dewalt. One's a hedge trimmer and one's a long handled chainsaw. So I thought since I've got them, I'll do a little review on them. Okay, so I bought them both without batteries because I already had some 5 amp hour batteries, so that cut down on the price a little bit. Now they're both interchangeable with the handles on them, but I couldn't find anywhere that just sold the heads by themselves, so I had to buy the heads with the handles for both of them, so it did work out a little bit more expensive. And with the chainsaw you actually get the extension, but as I say, you can put that on either one, so it was worth me buying the two of them. So first impressions, it's a really well made tool. It seems really solid. It's got a little hook on it there which looks like it'll be useful for when you cut a branch, it gets stuck and you can hook it out. It didn't come with any oil, which, you know, you pay a lot of money for a tool, you expect a little bit of oil to come with it, but it didn't. Fortunately I've got other chainsaws, so I've got a bit of oil to put in there. But I'm going to put it through its paces and see how it performs. So they do go together really easily. So if you look, there's the connection on them, and there's a arrow there, and then on the corresponding piece there's an arrow there. So you just match the arrows up like so, and just twist the collar down, and it seems very sturdy, very substantial. Okay, so as you can see from the video, I've put this thing through its paces and it's performed really well. It's gone through little tiny twigs and it's gone through branches which were about 4 inches in diameter, and it's held up brilliantly with all of them. As I said before, that hook on it, that's been great for when branches have been stuck up in the tree. I didn't really use the extension pole, but I will be in the future because I've got to trim the trees a lot higher. But yeah, really great piece of kit. Now, one slight little issue that I did find when using it was this rubber grip here. It tends to twist round as you're using it. It's not a problem, it does get a little bit annoying. So how was it for battery life? Well, I couldn't tell you because I used it for a few hours, as you can see by the video, and with one 5 amp hour battery it lasted the whole time and it's still going now. So battery life is great. Now, some people I know moan about the trigger. I don't mind it. So it's got a little safety lever there, so you've got to pull this across to pull down the first trigger, so you can pull the second trigger. Now, I'd say it's fairly childproof. That little lever there seems a little bit flimsy and it's got a little tiny spring in it. I don't know how long that's going to last, but I've been using it for a few hours now and I found it was alright to use. It wasn't a problem whatsoever. So it's been great and it's been really quiet. So I've got my microphone in here and that isn't loud at all. Compared to the petrol version I've got, really quiet. So I wasn't annoying the neighbours at all. I did find one issue with it though, and that is that oil tends to leak out. It's not a big problem, it's just a bit of a pain. And that's the only thing I can fault it on really. Apart from that, great bit of kit, and it's been invaluable for what I've been doing. So I can highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.